Navi Legal Department. This is to inform you that even after multiple attempts, there is no response from your side. So your profile will be marked as a red mark, civil defaulter, and your profile will be blacklisted. In the future, you are not able to get any loan. And regret to inform this has been sent to your given address, and your legal officer will also going to visit your address or your given home address till 2 p.m. If you don't pay, we are going to proceed legally. So there are a lot of NBFC registered loan apps like M-Pocket, Bada Bro Loan App, Navi. They send you a fake legal notice, KreditMango also, and make you scared on the name of legal action so that people give them the money. But in actual, nothing they can do legally because they are themselves doing a illegal business. Whatever interest rate they are charging, even their recovery process, that is also completely illegal. Even against them, there are a lot of FIR has been registered under IPC section 420 or IT Act also. So in case you have also taken loan and any loan apps or whether it's NBFC or not registered, and they use a illegal way of recovering the amount by calling your contact, sending you fake legal notice, or talking to abusive language, or calling to your friend list or family member, in that situation raise a complaint against them. No need to repay even a single rupee to them. Okay. And in case of a 7 days loan app, don't pay even a single rupee to them. They are completely doing a fraud and a fake illegal business. Just contact to us. Our lawyer is going to advise you so that you don't worry about their repayment or any harassment or blackmailing calls or any legal action. Each and everything I'm going to advise you, where you have to complain, how you can raise a complaint, and able to save your time and money. So just contact us, save your time and money. Like the video, share it, subscribe our channel, be with us for any legal matter.